In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an app using Base44 from start to finish. Let's dive right in and get you on the path to building your digital masterpiece. First, you'll need to log into Base44. Open up Google Chrome and navigate to the Base44 website. If you already have an account, just log in with your credentials. If not, don't worry. You can easily create an account by following the on-screen instructions. Once you're logged in, you'll be taken to the Base44 dashboard, your central hub for creating and managing your projects. Here, you're going to start a new app project. You'll have the option to choose from a variety of templates or start with a blank canvas. If you're just starting out or want a specific structure for your app, templates can be incredibly helpful. But if you're looking to create something truly unique from the ground up, the blank canvas option is the way to go. Make your choice based on your needs and the complexity of the app you want to build. With your project setup underway, you can now start adding screens and UI components using Base44's intuitive drag and drop interface. This is where your app will begin to take shape. You can drag various components like text fields, images, buttons, and more onto your app's screens. Arrange them as you see fit, crafting each screen to provide the best user experience possible. As you build out your screens, remember to configure navigation elements. This step is crucial for linking your screens together and ensuring users can move through your app effortlessly. Consider the flow you want your users to take and set up navigation paths accordingly. Whether it's a simple swipe to the next screen or a click on a button that directs them to a new section, getting this right will make all the difference. Next up is adding functionality to your app. You'll want to include forms, buttons, and data inputs based on the requirements of your app. Think about how users will interact with it and the kind of data you need to collect or display. Whether it's submitting a form or triggering an action with a button, making these interactive elements clear and functional is key. Once you've got all those components in place, it's time to preview and test your app thoroughly. Run through it as if you were an end user. Test out every button, form, and navigation path. This ensures that everything functions just as you intended and provides a seamless experience. Finally, once you're satisfied with how everything looks and performs, it's time to publish or export your app. Depending on what you need, Base44 allows you to either export your app for deployment or publish it directly to the web or app stores. Follow the instructions provided for publishing, and just like that, your app will be ready for the world to see. And there you have it, a full walkthrough of creating an app in Base44. With practice and exploration, you'll be able to refine and perfect your apps even further. Happy app building!